Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 79 Valewood Run in the town of Perrington. Hi, I'm Rich Testa, and this is a spectacular home. Let's take a tour. Welcome your family and friends to this amazing two-story foyer. Open to a dining room and fireplace great room with scenic views of the beautiful backyard, all with hardwood floors. Enjoy this beautiful lead-in kitchen with cathedral ceilings, a center island, granite counters, extensive mirror-lit cabinetry, stainless steel Bosch and GE profile appliances, and this carefree tile floor with a wall of windows with easy access to the deck and backyard. This first floor owner suite has it all, featuring a spacious vaulted ceiling bedroom, a walk-in closet, and a spa bathroom. The first floor also includes a laundry, powder room, and a spacious office. This spacious upstairs continues to excite with a large living area overlooking the great room, with 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath. This is the ultimate lower level to keep in shape. Your own space for all your workout equipment, and a great media room too. Just off the kitchen is this amazing entertainment-sized deck, leading to a spectacular backyard bordering town of Perrington parkland. This property has a premier location in the Deer Run neighborhood of fine homes. Nearby this property are 2 amazing golf courses of Midvale Country Club and Eaglevale Golf Club, plus easy access to the Penfield Four Corners and the village of Fairport. Here we are in the village of Fairport, a great place to live.
It has great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 79 Valewood Run in the town of Perrington. This is Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here.